Hey guys, here's a quick video on beginner's guide to running spikes. This is on runnersneed.com. So you can do a little commentary. When you think about running spikes, there are several specifications in how they're made and what you're looking for. Okay, you have mid-distance spikes, you got long-distance spikes, you got sprint spikes, you got javelin spikes, you got shot put throwing, discus shoes, etc., etc. So when it comes to spikes, why you should use them? Well, spikes help with running faster on uneven terrain, right? They give you more grip. They also are lighter. Science and studies prove the lighter the shoe, the faster someone will run. It can trim off literally 10 seconds or more with a cross country race, depending on you know what you started with. So sprint spikes, you're going to find that with sprint spikes, the bottom part of the shoe is going to be much more dense or harder. Okay, like a hard plastic that is needed for when you press down and when you sprint, you are on your toes when you are sprinting. Okay, there is virtually no heel to the shoe because when you sprint, you you don't run or land on your heel very much unless you're slowing down or braking. Then you have mid-distance spikes. They do have a bit more padding on the heel because as you get tired, um, and also the plate is not as dense or hard, but as you get tired, you might revert back to a little bit of heel striking. Okay, so middle distance spikes are for like the mile or the 800 along those lines. Then you have long distance spikes. Um, they're designed to take on more force for a longer period of time. They're more durable, but longer distance spikes might be just a little bit more heavier because you need more cushioning. Okay, so anywhere between 1,500 and 10,000, but meters are long distance spikes. Okay, then you have cross country spikes. They have more cushioning than a typical track shoe. They're developed for running on grass and cross country. An example of that is this shoe right here. So this is the women's Nike Rival Zoom. Take a look at this shoe here. They have different views of the shoe. Okay. Hopefully I can interact with this website a little bit. It looks like this is the only picture. But if you take a look at that, you can see that it has a little bit of a more heel and it has not quite a hard plastic plate bottom, but this is a spike shoe. Okay. This is what is commonly referred to as a spike. Now, training shoe is like this. It's just a foam trainer bottom with a top like this, standard laces, etc. But this is something that you do your everyday running in. But then when you race, you're going to race in this shoe right here.